biada. She knows that. So why? Hobson, me, we adieni see yen. Because Serwaa or trusting me meeting. She told me, yes, Obomidi. Obomidi, because she told me it was you. Hobson, it was you. That is why I'm Mrs. Serwaa Makwai. Onyai na lawyers ni nye juma because Hobson. MPP on tinaso encho. Eyedenya MPP as a party are in government today will leave one day. They will definitely leave one day. Hobson Adoye. Me say you paid for you paid for that crime. You were caught on camera. You were caught on CCTV camera. Who said ye? Hobson ya Adoye. Who said ye? Hobson who said ye? Samu propaganda na mo ye no. One say Oliver Assembly ba ye no. Who pese wo ko chi ex-president Dramani Mahama bewrem. Hobson. Who pese wo ko and that is water and one na wo uni she. Who pese wo ko chi ex-president Dramani Mahama bewrem. Hobson for what? Who nyo bia manen kan show yetete Ghana etete abrochre and that this when you are empty with knowledge. You don't even know the constitution of Ghana. You don't even know your rights as a Ghanaian. How do you become a freedom fighter? How do you do that? How? Tell me how. A freedom fighter who knows nothing. A freedom fighter who doesn't know anything. That is the problem. Richla. That is why most Ghanaians will watch Hobson Adoye and believe him. That just said the way I didn't 2 minutes, like making say like ex-president Dramani Mahama, Hobson Adoye, who will carry any ex-president Dramani Mahama, Hobson, ex-president Dramani Mahama. He started from the scratch. Listen carefully. You just want to be and you don't want to work. That's the problem. Hobson Yalvi Adoye and you will falter. Ex-President John Dramani Mahama, Hobson, TNE, he started from the scratch. Once upon a time, an MP. He was a minister of state communication. Rawlings, former President Rawlings, the government team. He is one of the finest politicians we have in Ghana. Listen to me carefully. The party ideology is different from you. But you have to stop that nonsense. What kind of nonsense is that? How? Why do you do that? What are you showing the next generation? Yes. Oliver served in NDC from ex-president Dramani Mahama and where your friend is saying the late Atamel's government. So does that mean say no Suman? Why do you do that? And people, why do you Ghanaians believe in those things? Why do you believe in this lies? He's lying. How do you believe in such a thing? Hobson has committed so many crimes. Hobson has committed a lot of crimes and he knows it. Sylvia says, Sylvia, make up minutes away. We a freedom fighter. I know, say you know, please. Anything I won't cast. So you don't talk, you're quiet because you know. How do you believe people like Hobson Adoye, they are dangerous to the country? They are they are dangerous to our democracy. They are dangerous to the Fourth Republic. They are dangerous to the Fourth Republic. They are. Sylvia Mauligla Acho Bibi. Na mi baba beka sembi. Sylvia say no to E-levy. Now open politics. You want to be part of Ghana politics. E-levy. So you want to talk about E-levy. You have to learn. Esa wu research. Esa wu tie. Esa wu uye bibia. Then sa wu kasa. Sana politics still. Sa wu kasa. What they will point, eto politician, they will have no choice than to listen to what you are saying. Because you put the politician there. Most of us living in Abrotre, Ghana for no yen tuaba. We don't vote. Most of us, we don't vote. It took one Ghanaian, and he was, Kofi Kranti was an American citizen then. Kofi Kranti, no the EC, a court. Kofi Kranti, and the challenge Europa. Kofi Kranti, and no pussy yani a passy say yen to aba. Do you know what the EC is saying? Charlotte Osei, former EC, wama diasporans yan to aba. Or sit diobekebia or sit yeben. Lady way subaye, diasporans, omon pese ye betu aba. Na adieno, e ye vote, eni ye dikasa. Na wutua uti Abrotre. Won't fight it, obia fight you, one person. Kofi Kranti, any other people that supported him. Omu di omusika. Me mandi. Yeah? We all push Kofi Kranti because that time no, na me a panelist on a political show, High Life Radio. I have known Kofi Kranti for a long time. He did that. What ya Abrotre? Is still also on my own to about. Do you think the politician, they regard you? They don't care about you. Unless you start voting. Unless you start voting in the diaspora, the Ghanaian politicians will start listening to you. The late Sir John. The late Sir John. Before 2012 election, the late Sir John, I'm ever landing her. Me mandi mi koye MPP. The late Sir John, e katre MPP for say na me ho. Or say mu Abroche for de ye hia mo hwiu, ye hia mo sika keke. Or say mu Abroche for de Aisha. Or say mu Abroche for de ye hia mo hwi, ye hia mo sika keke.